Mandarin orange salad. In a large bowl, toss your salad greens, add your Mandarin oranges, approximately a half a cup of dried cranberries, plus a third a cup of slivered almonds that have been lightly toasted. And for our dressing, we are going to zest and use the juice of one orange. So in a mason jar or a blender bottle, combine a quarter of a cup of orange juice concentrate, a half of a teaspoon of orange zest, 1 tablespoon of olive or vegetable oil, and a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of honey or sugar, and then plus 1 teaspoon of poppy seeds or black sesame seeds. Shake this all well, taste, adjust your seasoning, adding salt and pepper to your taste. Pour over your salad greens just before serving, toss until well coated. Enjoy.